entered Colombo.
Very traffic here.
There's a traffic. This is the Colombo Bridge. Can you see a Lotus Tower in the background? A little long, I'll just zoom it. There's a traffic here at the fag end of this highway. The first time we are seeing such a traffic. So this shows we are entering a big town, big city. So big city without traffic, you can't get away with that. So background you can see Lotus Tower. You can see the clouds chasing us. It was a bright sunny day and it started raining. The moment we entered the Colombo city, we faced not only the traffic congestion on the way, but also the cloud. Can you see? Suddenly this dark cloud has come. What is your problem, man? Mr. Cloud? That side no cloud. नहीं touch वो सब नहीं चाहते. So we have come to this mall. This is a golf face mall. We wanted to come to the golf face, but it started raining. So our driver did a good thing. He dropped us at the mall so that we can come to the mall. So Rhythm, we come to the mall and spend the time till rain stops. See? So it looks like now we have Rhythm. It looks like that we are in a big city, Colombo. Yeah, after so many places, Sigiriya, Dambola, Miriza, so many beaches. Last 2 days, today or tomorrow. Yeah? Yeah? Shangri-La Hotel is this side. It's a 5-star hotel. Yeah? Yeah. You bought it? How much?
I didn't bought it. Actually, I won the prize.
You won the prize. Oh my. All for Face Mall, and from here we will be probably going to have our dinner. A local friend of mine is coming. Let's see. Have we come to the right place? Is it the exit point? Yeah, it's the exit point. So here again we have come back. Rain seems to have stopped here. छोटी हल्की हो रही है बारिश.
अब प्लीज दोबारा मत स्टार्ट करिए.
अब नहीं होगी लगता है. Rain is still drizzling. So this is the Lotus Tower. We are aiming to watch, and my friend Buddhika has brought us to this, near to this. This is the, we'll be going a much better view we'll be seeing. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Oh, not coming. Yeah. So this is the Lotus Tower we were talking about. We have come down, and as you said, the rain chasing us like anything. So we cannot stay here for very long. So this is the Lotus Tower I was talking about. This illuminated Lotus Tower. It's a nice, lovely Lotus Tower. Maybe tomorrow we are here in Colombo. If we find something, maybe sometime we can come and request our driver to also come here, and we can take a better view of this Lotus Tower, illuminated Lotus Tower. We are going to have a dinner up there, but this view will not be possible from inside. This is an outside view, and see how I am making this. See the view. नहीं आ रहा है. थोड़ा और पीछे जाओ बेटा. हाँ, थोड़ा और पीछे जाओ. आ जाओ, थोड़ा और आगे आओ. वॉक करते हुए आओ, धीरे धीरे. आ गया, चलो. जो At the food spot by Coronation, and we have ordered here black chicken and we are going now for some drink sessions.
Did you try that?
This is a paratha, chana paratha. Okay. Parota. Okay. And this costed us how much? Kitna Sri Lankan rupees tha? 515 Sri Lankan rupees. And we have ordered a family dosa. I'll show you. That has costed us 950 rupees. Is a Sri Lankan dish. Kuttu with what? Fish. Chicken. Kuttu with chicken. Chicken kuttu. Okay.
ये ऊपर एग है ना?
हाँ इसमें egg है. Egg है? Is the egg on the top? Okay. Kuttu with egg is a typical Sri Lankan dish. Let's try. Okay. Mega dosa. Such a huge dosa. In Mumbai we have this much big dosa. Yeah. In Mumbai we get it. Not in Delhi. Delhi में भी है एक रेस्टोरेंट में. यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक इतना लंबा. या साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट है वो. मेगा नहीं महा मेगा होगा. So this is what we are eating here. What's this place called? Beach Plaza at Port City. Soft bowl. So this is there. I don't know. That is called Colombo Port. Okay, and this place we have come to is the Port City. Port City has been recently developed by a private company of China. It's a Chinese private company?
This whole area built by Chinese?
Chinese, yeah. This has been built by Chinese, and this has been this was earlier the part of the sea. This has been reclaimed. And a nice port city has been developed here. Ownership is Chinese. This is whole Colombo city. Can you see the skyscrapers of Colombo? So this is the skyscrapers of Colombo. It's a Colombo city here. That side. That's the Colombo port. And it goes till there. Here. Can you see? Like this. Yeah. Slowly. My God. See the lotus star. I'm making this video from car, but see the beauty. The skyscrapers and the lotus star. And if I take the little this side, again you'll see other skyscrapers and the lovely lotus star, illuminated one. Today it was raining, we could not capture the proper view, but maybe tomorrow we will get a chance. I'll try to add to this video only. And this is Sri Lankan port. Colombo port, right? This is Colombo port. Oh, the amazing. See the changing color? Probably, देखो. Colors देखो change कर रहा है. It's lovely. My God, it's a lovely view. Sri Lanka, you are beautiful. You are amazing. You know, this country has everything, from modern city to lovely beaches to mountains, skyscrapers. See, looks like Dubai here. Lovely. The skyscrapers of Sri Lanka. This is Golf Face Mall, that side. Which hotel? This is Welcome Hotel? ITC Welcome Hotel? This is Welcome Hotel, no? Yeah, welcome sign is there. Yeah. Welcome Hotel. And this is Shangri-La Hotel. And that's a Golf Face Mall here, that side. And this is Golf Face. This is Golf Face. This is Golf Face in the night time. See the people? Looks like Nariman Point of Mumbai. It gives you a feeling of Nariman Point of Mumbai. A little much spacious and much better way maintained and all. Can you see? See here. This is Colombo, Sri Lanka. Lovely towers. And this is the car, our car. This is our friend Buddhika. Isn't it lovely? Colombo, Golf Face, that side. And so see that this is a bus stop, Golf Face bus stop. Such a nicely made golf stop. It gives you a feeling that you are not in Sri Lanka or any Asian country. Looks like it's Europe. See, the city bus will stop here. This is city bus, the bus stop. Lotus Star I was talking about just now. Can you see how beautiful it is? It's yellow, green. Few minutes back it was red. See the color changing. We could not cover from there. We went just down, that started raining. So from distance, see the changing color. See green. Now it will turn blue, and then it will red. Oh, pink, mamma mia! Oh, red, wow! Orange, yellow, wow! It's a lovely view of Lotus Stars. Lovely. Probably if you'll get chance tomorrow, violet. So many colors. Wow! Beautiful, beautiful day. And what better thing could be to start with a church, with the Saint Sebastian Church, C Street, Negombo, and such a beautiful church. You see this. Isn't it beautiful? It's closed, but I'm not entering the church. Probably some worship is going on. So Good Friday, probably they have closed it. So from outside view, it's a lovely church in Negombo. So maybe you happen to be in Negombo, you just come here and watch. See the view. See the view. From the down to the up. It's a lovely, lovely church. Nice church. Good looking church. See here, this church. A nice church. And it's so closed. Yeah. Beautiful thing about Sri Lanka and Colombo is that you can see along the coastline there's a train. Lines are there, both way. From this side, this goes all the way to Galle, okay, and you can see both sides. This side also, this side from the train comes from Galle to Colombo, right? Can you see that this train line? And from that, Colombo to Galle, and there's a railway station here. I'll just show you. Can you see in the deep background? There's a train standing. Yeah. And there's a railway. This is the railway station. So it's a beautiful journey we are not making it because we are traveling by car. So if you want to do a journey from Colombo to Galle, you will go along the coastline. That's a wonderful journey. So you can make it. Can you see there's a coastline and a train is there. And here the Colombo city. This goes to port.
Where port?
Colombo port.
Yeah.
And this line goes to Galle.
Galle.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right. That's it all. And there's
All new roads.
all new
Yes,
roads.
New road. Other side is the old road.
Oh, sir.
One way.
This is new road
Yes.
and that's the old road.
All road.
And parallel to this, from the fort you can go to Galle,
Galle.
and from Galle you can
Galle
go
and
to the fort.
Matra.
Matra.
Yeah.
Matra and Galle. Okay. Galle and Matra are very nearby. How many kilometers?
Galle and Matra and 25.
25 kilometers. And from Galle, how much kilometer from here? Colombo?
100.
100. So if you want to take a small ride, you can take fort and you can come to this station. What is the name of this station?
This Dehiwala.
Dehiwala.
No.
Ah.
This one called Bambalapitiya.
Bambalapitiya. Bambalapitiya station. Maybe you can travel, if you want to experience, you can take a train from Fort till here, and around 100 rupees, 150 rupees ticket of Sri Lankan rupees, not Indian rupees. You can enjoy this view, this scenic view. It's a lovely scenic view. You can see the train will come along the thing. I can't see any train. Just now a train passed by when we were getting down from the car. So we don't know how much time we'll have to wait. So this is there. So you can enjoy this also here. That's also a wonderful touristic thing to do. Okay, with this I'm signing off and we'll go to other places of Colombo. It's along the coast. Yeah, the train track is going there. It looks like Marine Drive, but a little better than Marine Drive, because Marine Drive does not have a railway track and train does not go. It will be wonderful if we capture a train comes from Fort to Bambalapitiya. Bambalapitiya is the station where you can travel from Fort to Bambalapitiya, get down and then take a return train. But since we are traveling with the car, we didn't take the train. We just wanted to capture this view. There's a coastline train, okay? And if you want to travel to Galle from Colombo, this is the best route. Trust me, you'll enjoy every bit of it, especially when you do it in daytime in an AC coach. Okay, this is a daytime Lotus Tower. Lotus Tower hidden. I'll show you from this side. Can you see the Lotus Tower? Yeah, it's hidden behind these tall buildings. This is allowed. Can I do? Take pictures?
I am. Oh,
Yeah.
we are seeing that.
So this is Gangaram temple in the heart of Colombo. It's a Buddhist temple. There's a museum inside, and here there is a Buddha's image. Can you catch? It's a temple here. It's a nice little temple, and it's a fusion of Hinduism with Buddhism. You can see this is some Hinduism deity also. Some all deities are there, and the Buddha also. So it's a fusion of Buddhism and Hinduism here. Yeah. The full view of that temple. That side is more Buddhist, and this side is fusion. It's lovely, isn't it? Nice view. There's a museum in between. So if you have a museum in Pradesh, you can go. This side also, the old temple. And the good thing is that you'll see a fusion of Hinduism and Buddhism. Okay, you will get Hindu deity and the Buddha also. So here the type of Buddhism they follow is Hinayana, a little conservative part of Buddhism. Counseling center. of Colombo. So,
Hello?
now we are going to a park. What's the name of the park?
There is a left side is
Okay.
Vihara Madhavi Park.
Okay.
There's a left side.
Left side.
You can see that.
This one?
Yeah.
Gair Madhavi Park. Okay.
Ajan Diano?
This is called Gair Madhavi Park.
Vihara Madhavi. No, Vihara Madhavi.
Vihar Madhavi
Oh.
Park. Looks like any ordinary park. Doesn't look like very good. Yeah, there's some children play area here. That's it. No, not get down. It's a Gair Madhavi Park. The slight children play area you can see. Yeah, but not so beautiful. We have a much beautiful, much prettier park back Delhi. But yes, if you're coming to this side, to this temple, you can visit, especially when you're in the evening and with children. So children may have some little fun. And we're staying for long in Colombo, so probably in the evening you can just walk down, take a stroll. You take a stroll, you do walking, and your children play. That's it. You can see some mules grazing, okay, in the park. Can you see these mules? Yeah, the mules grazing. Yeah. We are not stopping, huh?
Okay.
No stopping. Continue. Slow, continue. So we are not stopping here because we don't find anything extraordinary in this park, but still I'm capturing this view for you guys. Okay, if you happen to be, if you're a park loving person, you can come. We are not getting down because it's scorching heat. In the scorching heat you cannot enjoy a park. Okay, maybe evening and early morning you can enjoy a park, but not this at around 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. Okay, so this is probably, this is the park entry point.
Yeah, no, either
That side
it's a library.
is a library.
Colombo Library.
Colombo Library.
The other
So
side,
I'm
the
giving
tennis
it-
court.
Yeah, other side is
Tennis court.
tennis court. Yeah, Colombo tennis court. So I'm giving you car tour of
There's
Colombo.
a library.
This is a library, Colombo Library, and we are moving towards
There's a Vihara Madhavi
Independence Square. This is Hanumanji
Park.
Park.
Vihara Madhavi Park.
This is the park. Where?
Yeah.
Copy. Wait. There's an elephant. Wait. Can you just wait for a second?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just capture that and come back. So the elephant has made us get down. 2 elephants inside the park. They are grazing here. Move. There's a railway track inside this park. Lovely, very mini railway track. And you can see the 2 elephants here. They've been kept probably. The owner of this park must be keeping these 2 elephants. They are grazing. Small, tiny elephants. Wow. Can you see this elephant? Mamma mia. It's very good. 2 elephants. One this side, one that side. 2 elephants. Otherwise, there's nothing special in this park. There's a railway track also. What is this rail line is for? Any idea? Is it in service? No, non-functional. So why this been made? Any idea? Old one. Okay. During British time. Yeah, during British time. Probably there used to be some joyride. I think they should have continued with this joyride in the park for children. That would be much better. But what to do? So this is all about the park. So we are now going back. I didn't want to get down, but because of the elephant I got down. There is a Buddha statue. No, this is first Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. First Prime Minister of Sri Lanka statue. The park, we are going to Independence Square. What is this?
Nelum Popuna.
Nelum Fokuna.
Mahinda Rajapaksa.
Okay.
Nelum Popuna.
Okay. Is it a stadium?
No. Indoor stadium.
Indoor stadium, yeah, that looks like stadium. So there's an indoor stadium this side. You can see at the right hand side of that park, and we are not going towards Independence Square. From here is around 1 kilometer Independence Square. So we'll meet at Independence Square when we reach there. Towards the Parliament, I just saw a board behind that. So Parliament area is Independence Square of Colombo. Yes, Siddham? Where's your goggles?
I can't find.
You can't find? You have, ma'am? Okay. Chalo. Have you lost it?
No, it is somewhere in the back.
Somewhere in the bag. Okay. So this is Sri Lanka's first Prime Minister, Ridham. Okay. And this is called Independence Square. Maybe the freedom fighters must have fought. Let me capture this, and you guys can click pictures. Today is our last day in Colombo and in Sri Lanka. This is the first Prime Minister of Sri Lanka, Independent Sri Lanka. This side is all written in Sinhala. This is Independence Square. I'll try to capture this way. It's called Don Stephen Senanayake, PCMP, Father of the Nation, first Prime Minister of Independent Ceylon. Earlier, Sri Lanka was named as Ceylon. Okay. He was leader of the council from 1948 to 1952, and then Minister of Agriculture Lands from 1942 to 1947, and Prime Minister he was from 1948 to 1952. He was leader of the State Council 1942 to 1947, and Minister of Agriculture from 1931 to 1947. Maybe even prior to the independence. He was born on 20th October 1884, and he passed away on 22nd March 1952. So this is Don Stephen Senanayake. So this is square, complete, nice, Independence Square. This does not look like Sri Lanka's flag. I don't know which flag is this. Maybe Buddhist flag. But let's see. Why are you going on grass, beta? This is Independence Memorial Museum.
It is allowed to go?
I don't know which side it is allowed to go. This side looks like closed. Here. This is a place of national significance. Keep discipline. Beta, keep discipline. This is a place of national significance. So no monkeygiri. Okay? Just be nice, quiet. No pets are allowed. These are the steps. This is Independence Square. Some school children here. Yeah, this is Sri Lankan flag is there. That side. It looks pretty nice. A very nice breeze is coming. some tourists like us have come here, and the groups are also coming. This side also some tourists are here. Freedom, how is this place?
Very nice.
Very nice.
How are you?
Especially the nice breeze you are getting. That's why you liking? Yeah. You can see here this side, all this water. Nice view from here. See? That side is this. There's a guard, just one guard to control any nuisance here. No, there's another guard that side sitting, two guards. And there's a national flag of Sri Lanka here. This side. The corners you can see. This side from the top view and the closer view. The back side of Mr. Senanayake and the national flag. I wanted to capture this national flag. Lots of Europeans, they come here. Can you see two buses here? Maybe this gentleman. Hi sir, just 1 minute. Any idea why this square is called Independence Square?
This is called Independence Square because we signed the independence agreement in Kandy,
Okay.
where the Temple of Truth is there.
Yeah.
And similar structure has built here, and
Yeah.
this is we nominated as Independence Square.
Okay. That's what the historical fact I wanted to capture. Thank you. What's your name, sir?
Prasad.
Prasad.
Yes.
You are working here?
No, I am one of the national guys who
Oh, you are one of the national guide. You with the tourist group.
Yes.
So thank you. You guided us free of cost. Thank you. Yeah. Sri Lanka's urban council, something like our Lok Sabha urban council. Okay, no, not Lok Sabha. Maybe municipal council, municipal urban council, Colombo's urban council. This is Colombo urban council. This is Colombo's urban council. Yeah. Municipal council. Town hall. Okay, this is town hall, Colombo's town hall. So here it controls the urban part of Colombo.
Yes,
Right?
City of
part.
Colombo.
Okay. And where is the parliament?
Parliament at the moment, new parliament in Hotel.
Kotte. And we are allowed to go?
Yeah. And if you want to, not
This is World Trade Center here. Don't park here. Park at the Dutch Hospital. This is Dutch Hospital. Yeah. Okay. In front of the World Center, there is a Dutch Hospital. We'll be getting down for the Dutch Hospital. This is Bank of Ceylon. This tall, and this is World Trade Center of Sri Lanka. Yeah, it looks like Dubai. Can you see the tall buildings? Two tall buildings here. Yeah, and this one, Bank of Ceylon. Ceylon is the old name of Sri Lanka, so you can call it Bank of Sri Lanka. And this is opposite of Bank of Ceylon is a Dutch hospital. When the Dutch were ruling here, this used to be a hospital. Now this has been converted as a food joint. At a food joint, people can come here and have a grub. Okay, it's a shopping bassinet. Earlier it used to be a Dutch hospital. The Masala Island, these are all Ceylon Curry Club. It's a fine dining place and then outside eating. So you can come and eat here. Let's see. Come, we'll take a round of this. 15% set. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You have Indian cuisine? You have Indian cuisine here? Yes. Can I have a menu card, please? I'll see that. Oh, this is the menu card. Okay.
We have vegetable biryani right here.
Okay.
Also,
Prawns biryani.
We have some dishes.
Okay.
For that dishes, you can go with some naans.
Rotis. Can you remove your hand?
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah. Some drinks are there.
Yes. This is beverage menu, sir.
Beverage menu.
We have alcohol drinks. No problem in our dish, sir.
So ice cream to make this cream and delight. Rupees 290 plus. So at the Dutch hospital, we have come to a bar, beverage, ice cream shop, and Rhythm will be enjoying her strawberry ice cream. Yeah, good. It's all machine made, beta, but it's okay. Not much, right? Let ma'am come, then. Good, Rhythm? Nice? So Rhythm is enjoying her ice cream. Can I taste a little bit from this side? Just give me. This is yum. Yeah? See? The glutton Rhythm. Relishing every bit of ice cream. Yeah? This is strawberry, right? Yeah. Probably I will take vanilla. There's a music at the background. I don't know whether copyright issue will be there or not, but I'll try to put it and diffuse this with a copyright thing. So I don't know why the music comes and all, then the copyright issue comes in YouTube, but I'll try to diffuse it. Okay, I'll try to diffuse this. We'll mix it up with some music. Let's see. And can you see on TV the IPL is going on? IPL match is going on. 6 runs. It's not live. I think it's a retake. It's the highlights of IPL is going on. Nice ambience. This place used to be a hospital earlier during the Dutch time, now converted for the fine dining and eating joints. Here, can you see? It's a lovely ambience. There's an AC atmosphere. Both mom and daughter, they're enjoying ice cream, and me, nothing. So this is a complete view of Dutch hospital. It's little expensive. Here they'll charge you 10% service charge, whatever you eat, and 25% is government tax. My. See here, above prices are subject to service charge and government tax. So whatever the prices are there, they have some hidden things. So don't go by the price list. So when you calculate, almost 35% of your total bill will be taxes and service charge. You can come and dine. This is no more a hospital. There's an Indian restaurant. हाँ इतना ही बड़ा है. यह हॉस्पिटल था earlier. अब इसको डाइनिंग प्लेस बना दिया गया है. Ceylon Curry Club. Fine dining. We are not having lunch here. My daughter had ice cream and my wife also had ice cream. And see, we are back. We are back here to these two tall buildings. There's a Hilton, there's a Colombo City Hotel, and that side, the Bank of Ceylon. Thank you. Thank you. Break up code. No, we have a car. We have a car. Thank you. The good thing with when you have a car, you will not be entrapped by. This is driver? Yeah. What conversation going on?
Hi, my boss is in.
Okay, your friend?
Yeah.
Okay, you met your friend here?
Yeah.
Okay, this is my driver and this is driver's friend. And what's your name, sir?
My name is Prasad.
Prasad. You all here come carry the tourists?
He's a very good police.
Yeah.
My senior. Yeah.
Okay. Same military police, yeah? Okay. So we are surrounded by military and police, right? Oh my God, we need to be scared. We have come to this St. Anthony Church. Few years back, this church was devastated by a bomb blast. Yeah. And since then, it has become a tourist attraction. So many people died on that bomb blast. So there is in memory of something there also. So this is the church. Yeah, 2.5 years back. Yeah. So Holy Week. This is a church here. Yeah, it's a huge church. The good part is that this is a St. Anthony Church. People are praying. Today is a Good Friday, and I cannot take it at a higher level. I will see there. Today is Good Friday, so many people have come for prayer. Once upon a time, many years back, there was a bomb blast here, and so many people died. Can you see these people are traditionally dressed on Good Friday? We have come on a very auspicious day here. So we have come to a very good time here. Maybe there will be a sermon of Father after some time. We'll wait for 5-10 minutes. If he comes, we'll stay back for another 5-10 minutes. If it doesn't, then we'll go leave this place. We have to bow down on our knees. We have to be on our knees. These priests, they are walking down. They will occupy the stage. Probably serve and serve. Please do a nice time here. This is this church, St. Anthony Church, you know. This is the church. The attack had taken place. I will put the exact date of the attack in the comment box, or here also I'll highlight, because I don't know much about that date of the attack. But this was the area in 2019 or 20, I think. There was some attack. Terrorist attack. So many people died in this. Today is Good Friday. The sermon is being happened with the priest. It's in all Sinhala, not in English. Had it been English, would have stayed here. And you can see so much of guards, so much of security here, only because of that terrorist attack. So you can understand the level of security here. But it's a fantastic time to come and visit here. We've been lucky that we came to a day when it's a Good Friday. We could see and capture these views for you. Had we understood the Sinhala language, probably would have continued for more time. But we are signing off with this because sermon is going on and we are not making a head and tail of that. So I'm really sorry for my friends from Sri Lanka. They could understand Sinhala, but we could not understand my audience in India and elsewhere in the world. So I don't want to be the boring episode. But yes, this was a wonderful time to come and a good opportune time to come here. And we are now leaving there. We'll capture some images here, this side. So much of security here, but very friendly security. The St. Anthony Shrine, Kochi Kade, Colombo 43. This is Colombo 43. There's a Jesus here. I'll just zoom it out. Zoom. and then here. Come. See, there's a cross here. This is the church at the heart of the Colombo city. Can you see such a beautiful design on the walls? Probably there's Jesus giving first sermon. So Jesus probably being crucified. I don't know what are these, but these are lovely scriptures here on the top of the wall. See there? To this beach plaza, but there's nothing was seen. So today also once again we have come for our viewers. Come sir. Last night we come with our local friend. Yeah. And nothing was seen, nothing was viewed. So just to capture a view of this, we have come here to Colombo's Beach Plaza. So yesterday you had night view, now it's a day view. We have come to the daytime. Yeah. See the same place we have come to eat. Mr. Dumpling. मोमोज मिलेगा, मोमोज खाओगे हैं? हाँ मोमोज दिख रहा है. अब मोमोज होगा या नहीं गॉड नोज. हम लोग एकदम सी फ्रंट में बैठेंगे वहाँ पे, ठीक है. सी व्यू भी रखेंगे. सो दिस इज द सी प्लाजा. देयर वी सैट yesterday night on that big table. Today we are just going towards the beach. This is sort of a beach has been created. The ebb and tide has been stopped. Can you see at the background rhythm? Those stones have been put to control the ebb and tide of the beach. Okay. So that water does not come. When there is a high tide, the water does not come so far off. We'll sit here only, beta. See. Isn't it lovely? You don't need a fan. Natural air. Sit down, madam. Sit down, sir. Come this side. Pick up a chair. You can pull chair a little bit this side. You will not get sun. Yeah. So this is the port side. There's some activities also. Yeah. If you want to do those activities, you can do. I'll check after the meal, right? After the meal, I'll check. Yeah. So this is the view, and we'll have that. We'll dine here, and we'll let you know. So we have come here for lunch, a late lunch, very late lunch, right?
This is dumpling and this is pav paratha.
This is pav paratha, and this is dumpling, and one more item is coming, which is rice made. So we'll do. Dumpling वाला plate खाली हो जाएगा ना, तो we'll. So Rhythm is eagerly waiting. One more portion is coming. So Pepsi is brought for himself. I'm not drinking Pepsi. This food plaza at Beach City, that is what you call Beach Plaza at Port City, Colombo. It is all privately owned, maybe Chinese occupation, but they have built up very nice. And see, the sun is setting, coming down. So probably this is the first nice sunset will be seen. But down you can see the cloud is there. Rhythm, come this side. Turn. So this is Rhythm at. How was the food, Rhythm, at Food Plaza?
Very tasty.
Better than last night? Yeah? Last night food was not good? No?
Good, but it was, but the photo was spicy.
Very spicy. And today's food was
Nice.
nice? What did you like in the food? Dumpling the most? And apart from dumpling?
Rice and chicken.
Rice and chicken. And
And then
Paratha?
Pav paratha.
pav paratha was also good, na?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a good concept, pav paratha. Ma'am, how was the food? Better than last night? Yeah? Last night you found that kuttu very spicy, right? Don't make faces. My friend will watch this. Don't make faces. So, see that there's some bathing is allowed here. You can come and bathe. But we are not bathing here. Nice. Lovely. Sun is coming down. Rhythm and Rhythm's mom. So we are ending our trip of Colombo with this beachside food plaza. It's called Beach Plaza, popularly known as Beach Plaza. You can sit here at the seaside and eat time in the night, in the evening, in the afternoon. Best time to come here is in the evening. You come here, enjoy. There are other things also, boatings and snorkeling and other activities also here. You can do here. We are not doing because we have done lots of seas and all. So we are not doing again. Sun is coming down. Pretty done. See the sun. See, there's a boat. The fishermen are there. They're catching fish. Lots of locals are here. No foreign tourists. There are few foreign tourists. Chinese basically. Chinese they have come. But no other foreign tourists have come. So Rhythm is taking selfie, making a heart sign, and Rhythm ran away. Yeah, okay. Rhythm, take care, okay? You will get your shoes wet. Let me see some children enjoying the activity here. They are all from China. You guys are from China? Yeah. Ni hao. That's the only word I know. Oh, you're capturing me? Nice. This is made with the Chinese help. Hello. Speak something. Talk to my viewers in Chinese. YouTube. Not from media. This is for YouTube. Yeah, you can subscribe my channel. You want? You want my channel?
Chinese?
YouTube channel. In English and Hindi. Oh, diaper gone. Diaper. Wet. You'll have to change the diaper. Diaper wet. Oh, okay, taking part. Lots of Chinese here. Sri Lankan here. Rhythm, run. So promised you that we'll come at the daytime and we'll capture this. So daytime we have come, not day, rather evening time, and we are doing here. Port City, Beach Plaza. And why it's called Port City? Can you see there's a port? And this is a port developed by Chinese and occupied by Chinese. Okay, it's a totally owned by Chinese. Sri Lanka has probably given on lease or maybe sold it because they had to pay China debt, and they were not able to pay Chinese debt. So in lieu of that, they have occupied this. This is what is a Chinese model. They are occupying, they're paying money. They first put their friends in this debt trap and then they occupy the land. So I believe everybody, all countries should be aware of their policy. This Beach Plaza, we are going out of this port city and you can see the skyscrapers of Sri Lanka. This is modern Sri Lanka. This is modern Sri Lanka. Yeah, lots of construction happening. This port city is basically under Chinese occupation. Sri Lanka had to give this area to China on a 99 years of lease. Okay, so China is the master of this place for 99 years. After 99 years only, this will be given back to Sri Lanka. And this has happened because they first give loans, easy loans to Sri Lanka, and Sri Lankan government took those easy loans thinking that China is a friend, but China is a enemy in disguise. So when they found Sri Lanka in trouble and not able to pay the loan, they converted their loan amount into occupation of this port area. So totally it's against Sri Lankan sovereignty. This is not good. I think all the countries should beware of the Chinese design. Okay, they help to do this. Okay, so next time any countryman, they think that China is a friend country, they should be very, very particular about that. China is not a friend country. They are friend of no country. Okay, so with this I'm signing off. Can you see here my battery is also dying down on this, so I will not be able to continue here. So see you. Please, if you like my video, subscribe and share with friends and family. And Rhythm, please can you appeal with your viewers?
I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends and family.
Okay. Sure. Bye bye. Yeah. This is the secretariat, new secretariat.
मैं मैनेजर होंगी.
Nice. We are again like yesterday at Golf Face. Today weather is not playing, but there's so many kites. See, so many kites. Okay, lot many beautiful kites in the sky. See, at the Golf Face. The children are, yeah, lovely kites, in the sky. And the backdrop, you can say sun is setting. Still little bit cloud is there. And this side, the modern Sri Lanka. This is modern Sri Lanka. The second time, this is Union Bank, and that side is Secretariat. So the people are here preparing for open their Roja, Ramzan ka Roja. If you want to eat free food, you can join them.
No.
Yeah, they are doing iftar. Is this iftar? Is this iftar? Okay. So they are doing iftar here. हैं? नमाज पढ़ेंगे, उसके बाद फिर खाना अपना ब्रेकफास्ट अपना फास्ट को ब्रेक करेंगे. Can you see this? Lovely. It's a lovely place. We would have missed this place. We wanted to cover this place yesterday only, but it was raining, so we came today. Oh, no. Tummy full. Tummy full. Nothing. Thank you. सिनेला में मेरे से पूछा. So यहाँ पे भी देखो, people are breaking their fast and they are having an iftar party here. In Colombo there are lots of Muslims, so they are preparing for their iftar party. Iftar? Yeah. You understand Hindi, Urdu? No? Only Sinhala. Sinhala Tamil. Okay, Tamil Muslim, right? Okay. So they are breaking their fast. Have you done namaz? Namaz done? Yeah. Okay. And now you're breaking your fast. Yeah. Good. How many days more?
30 days.
30 days. 30 days, but how many days left? Many days you have completed, no?
Oh, many days. Today.
18 more days left. 12 days completed. Yeah. And then you'll see moon and Eid. Yeah. We are from India. Lots many Muslim friends in India. Yeah. Hello.
Hello, Shuluna. My son.
Okay, hello. We are YouTubers. So we put it in the YouTube. We have a YouTube channel. I know that. Lots of kites are flying up. So many kites at Galle Face, and the sun is setting down. It's a lovely place to be, and the people are breaking their fast, which is called iftar. They are Tamilian Muslim Tamil Muslim, Sri Lankan basically, but of Tamil origin. Okay, this is there. You have cafe. क्या आया है मस्त वीडियो या यहाँ पे भी आ रहा है, आप लोगों का कैप्चर हो रहा है. सी स्माइल रिदम मैम, स्माइल लुक दिस साइड. यस, that's the port. We went to Port City. We had our lunch here, and this is a lovely place. So with this, signing off. See, this is getting illuminated. The more illuminated view we've already captured yesterday will combine together yesterday and together, and we'll make one view of the Galle Face. Okay, at Colombo. With this, signing you off, and see you. We are going to one street chart. Let's see how much street chart we could enjoy. Ridham, you're looking beautiful in this.
Thank you.
Yeah. Madam, shall we go? Yeah. Let's go home. Let's go home. Yeah. This is lovely Lotus Tower. We stopped here just to make a video. It's giving a proper view from this distance. Yesterday it was raining, so we could not. Can you see the color changing of Lotus Tower? Lovely. It's lovely. See the blue, purple, red, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, purple, purple, red, and that all. So many colors changing. So thank you very much for stopping. Let's go. लास्ट डे है हमारा श्रीलंका का कोलंबो में. और रिदम को देखिए कैसे आइसक्रीम खा रही हैं भाइयों बहनों. इनका आज का डिनर जो है वो आइसक्रीम का ही है. हाँ, इसके बाद डिनर करेंगे क्या आप? नहीं ना, तो आइसक्रीम का ही डिनर हो गया वर्चुअली. जिस तन्मयता के साथ एक मंकी बनाना खाता है, उसी तन्मयता के साथ रिदम जो है वो आइसक्रीम खा रही है. I mean, just watch how Rhythm is eating this ice cream like a glutton, and this is Rhythm's dinner actually. On our last day in Colombo, as Negambo, there's a very good ice cream parlor called Rio, and as per our driver, this is the best ice cream parlor Sri Lanka has. The best top quality ice cream they serve, and this ice cream costed only 450 rupees, Sri Lankan rupees, which is equivalent to 100 plus 125 Indian rupees. So you can imagine how cheap Sri Lankan ice cream is. The same ice cream would have costed in India almost 500 rupees, 500 Indian rupees, which is equivalent to 17,500 Sri Lankan rupees. 1,750 Sri Lankan rupees equal to, ये 500 रुपये से कम का नहीं होता इंडिया में, है ना? होता कि नहीं? So श्रीलंका में आइसक्रीम इज़ वेरी चीप. I am also feeling glutton. You want to share half of, ma'am? Ice cream? No? I am also feeling glutton. Yeah, I think I should take one scoop. नहीं, छोटा वाला नुकसानदायक है. 350 का छोटा है और ये 450 का बड़ा, तो कौन सा बढ़िया? थोड़ा सा खाएंगे तो ले लेंगे एक और. नहीं, बेचारे को ड्राइवर को रोके हुए.